C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z, Y, and Z, Y, and Z. Assalamu alaikum. Hello students, how are you? I am Muhammad Mansha and I will teach you English alphabet. They are 26 in number. Do you remember? Yes, 26 from A to Z. And last time we have learned first 22 letters starting from A to V. Good. Now we'll learn next letter, that is W. What? W. And W gives vowel sound. Vowel sound. Vo. Vo. Like watch. Yes, watch. Wall. Any other name? Window. Good. Whistle. And any other name? Water. And the name of your friend or your name could be Varis. Good. This gives vowel sound. And now we'll learn how to write this letter W by using dotted sheet. And this worksheet will help you to learn W. Thank you very much. Wall, watch, window, wall, watch, window. Good. Now you can trace the letter W with the help of your index finger 10 times. Good. After that, you can use your pencil to write the letter W by joining dots. Good. Now move on to the next block on the same page, number 41. The first block is carrying blank blocks. You can write any letter of your choice in this block. Good. After completing, you can move on to the next block and match the letter with its picture. 3 letters and 3 pictures are given. One by one you can match them.